I am Emily, and I will shed light on L1B to L1A visa process. The L1 visa category is designed for intra-company transferees within multinational companies. There are two subcategories: L1A for managers and executives, and L1B for employees with specialized knowledge. If you are currently on an L1B visa and are looking to transfer to an L1A visa, there is a process involved. Here are the general steps. L1B to L1A visa transfer process. Eligibility. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria for an L1A visa, which is generally for managers and executives. This includes having a qualifying relationship between the U.S. company and the overseas entity. Job responsibilities. The role you are transitioning into should involve managerial or executive responsibilities, such as overseeing a department, making high-level decisions, or managing a significant part of the company. Employer support. Confirm that your U.S. employer is willing to support the change in your visa status. Documentation. Prepare the necessary documentation, including evidence of your qualifications, the nature of the business, and the relationship between the U.S. and overseas entities. Form I-129, Petition. Your U.S. employer must file Form I-129, Petition for a non-immigrant worker, with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services USCIS. This form is used for both L1A and L1B petitions. Supporting documents. Include supporting documents such as the employer's letter, organizational charts, job descriptions, financial documents, and any other evidence that demonstrates the managerial or executive nature of the position. USCIS approval. Once USCIS approves the petition, you can apply for an L1A visa at a U.S. embassy or consulate in your home country. Visa interview. Attend a visa interview at the U.S. embassy or consulate. Be prepared to discuss your role and the changes in your job responsibilities. Port of entry. If your visa is approved, you can enter the U.S. and begin working in the L1A capacity. Important notes. Timing. Begin the process well in advance of the intended change to allow for processing times. Legal assistance. It can be beneficial to seek legal advice from an immigration attorney, especially when transitioning between L1 visa categories. Maintain status. Ensure that you maintain your legal status throughout the process. Consult with your employer's immigration team or an attorney if you have any concerns.